Kelly with Southern Scrapbooking Crafts. Today I thought I would come on and show you how to use this little tool. I've recently gotten a 3D printer and I've been sending some of these out to a few people, and I plan on, including them in swaps and things. So I thought, you know what, I need to do a video and show people how to make or how to use them, not make it. But I mean, now if you have a 3D printer and want to make them, you can just look up Corner Cutter on any of the 3D printing websites, Thingiverse. There's several of them, and they were free. It's called a STL file, and they were free files. So yeah, I just made it, and it helps cut the corners for scrapbooking or anything you want to wrap. Now I'm making a tablet. I'll link it below. It's Maymay made it. She does this really cute notebook, so I thought, I would show you how I'm wrapping the base of mine. If you want to make the notebook, you can pop over to Maymay Made It, and I'll leave the link below in the description, and that way you could pick one if you want to. But I just have my chipboard here, and I'm going to glue it down like normal, like you normally do, or tape it, or whatever you want to do. Got that glue on there, and then, this is for my tablet base. But the point is to show you how to use this, not to make the tablets. Okay, so once you've got your chipboard all, glued down and your edges are cut, you're going to take that little plastic piece that you get or have made, and this little groove is going to sit right here, and you just push it onto your chipboard, and then you just draw yourself a line, or if you want, cut it with your blade on, you can do that, and you just push it up against that chipboard, so the chipboard is fitting right in that little groove. And that's how easy it is, and that's all there is to it. And then I just take my scissors and I just cut that pencil line off. Just like so. Don't mind my dirty bone folder. I haven't had a second to clean my tools here. But then you just, we just wrap this how we normally would wrap it. I'm just going to use some tape on this part. Alright, there, I got that all taped up. And now, just like we do anything else when we wrap it, okay, so we just fold this like we normally do. Just gonna just bend it, covering your paper, you're covering your chipboard, just like you would if you were doing a scrapbook album. It's the same thing, and just the same as when we used to, when you cut them by, just cutting your corners off and hoping that you kept a 1/8 of an inch away. And there you go. That's how it helps make your corners. Because there's times that I've cut them, you know, too short, and I've had to take the corners of the paper and, you know, put them in here, you know, to help hide it. But you could still see the line where it was gapped. So this little handy little tool really helps a lot. So you know, if you get one in a swap, or, you know, if I send Happy Mail or something and one's included in there, I usually leave a note. And now with the note, I'll leave a link to this video showing you how to use this little corner cutter. Alright guys, that's it for today. I just thought I'd bring that little tutorial along so that if you needed to know how to use it, you now have a video. You now have a video showing you how to use this little corner cutter. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a like. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. If you're an old subscriber, I thank you for coming in, hanging out with me today. And I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend and crafts the weekend away. I don't know what the weather's going to be like this weekend here, so it'll dictate what we do. If we're going to work outside or if we're going to stay inside and craft. I don't know. Alright guys, take care. Stay safe out there. And remember, I love each and every one of you. Go craft something. Make yourself happy. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.